So I've been using the Qubo Pro 3K starvis to back dashcam from quite some time now, and here are a few key things which I noticed about this camera which can help you decide if this is the right dash camera for you. Starting off with the fact that if you need a starvis to back dual channel dashcam and you don't have a budget of more than 10 or 11,000 rupees, this would be the perfect choice because most other cameras, most starvis to cameras come at a much higher range, wherein the Qubo Pro 3K comes in currently at a discounted price of about 11,000 to 11,500 rupees. Do check out the link given in the description below for the accurate price right now. Another good thing to note is that if you are planning on buying this dash camera and you also want to have some parking monitoring and don't want just for driving, currently you can get a combo pack of the dashcam and the hardware kit again at a superb discounted price, maybe about 12,500 to 13,000 rupees. Now I've given the links for both dashcam and dashcam hardware kit combo right down below in the description. Go ahead, check that out, and if you do get a best deal when you compare it with Amazon wherein the prices are much higher, go ahead and grab it with the affiliate link given down below. Another good thing about this camera is that this gets a super capacitor, which means theoretically it is more better suited to handle high heat. Super capacitors are better at withstanding high temperature changes, even the most highest of the degrees and the lowest of the temperatures. So in terms of less risk, the Qubo Pro 3K will definitely work in your favor. That being said, another superb thing about this camera is that this practically supports up to 1 terabyte of storage. I mean, probably you won't be buying a 1 TB SD card, but still, considering if you do purchase a 512 GB card, you can get hours and hours worth of footage recorded on it. So having a 512 GB, or should I say 1 terabyte of storage capacity, also is an amazing thing, considering this comes at a price of about 11 to 11,500 rupees only. So even when all these other features work in the favor of the Qubo Pro 3K, the most important aspect being this camera gets a starvis 2 sensor, specifically the starvis 2 IMX675, and gets you a 3K resolution, that's 1944p, which is close to 4K. But the important point being this comes at a price of 11 to 11,500 rupees. Now this would be ideally the cheapest dual channel setup to get a starvis 2 sensor, to get a super capacitor, and also gets a 1 terabyte SD card support. There is no other camera within that particular budget range offering these similar features. I mean, the video quality is pretty good, the performance of the dash camera is also rock solid, and the settings provided within this camera are more than enough for a day-to-day usage. Another aspect is that if you do purchase it from the dashcaminsider.in website, for which the link I have given in the description, you can also get paid installation services from cities like Bengaluru, Chennai, or even in Kerala. So if you're a person who resides at these particular places, you can even get a paid installation service. So considering all of these aspects and considering my personal usage of the Qubo Pro 3K, I can definitely say that this is a reliable dashcam. You can go ahead with it if you have a budget of about 11 to 12,000 rupees just for the dashcam, and if you want to have parking monitoring, you can get it at a combo pack of about 13,000 rupees. Now, if you do have any queries or any doubts regarding this camera, you can always write that down in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But if this video has helped you out in any way, and if this video has helped you in deciding the perfect dash camera for you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy a starvis to back dual channel dash cam. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.